10-minute workout to burn calories, no intense cardio needed. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's get straight to fitness. I've noticed a lot of you are not fond of high-intensity cardio workouts. I must admit, when I feel super lazy to sweat it out, cardio will be the last thing on my mind too. So I've come up with a full body workout that won't require jumps and intense exercises, but will give you fitness results that you want and need. So let's get it, ladies. Exercise number 1, full plank. Place your hands on the floor right under your shoulders. Stretch your legs and glue your toes onto the ground. Tighten your core as you do this to maximize its impact. Keep in mind that planking can burn more calories if you do this on a daily basis, so stick to this trick that does amazing calorie burning treats for your body. Exercise number 2, elbow plank. For the elbow plank, stay in your position, but support your body using your lower arms and elbows this time. Toes should still be on the ground. Don't forget to breathe because this will help you keep going. Tighten your core to make sure you are making your belly fat cry. This also improves your posture and gives you a tighter tummy, so contract everything and keep going in this position. Exercise number 3, raised leg plank, right side. It's time to turn it up a notch. Stay in your elbow plank position. This time, raise your leg and hold it. You just need to lift your leg slightly, okay? No need to go super high for this. The magic is not just for your core, it's also for your butt. So if you want to work on shaping and lifting your butt area, go and do raised leg plank every day. Exercise number 4, raised leg plank, left side. Don't give up, ladies. It's time to lift up your other leg to make sure you are working your butt area with equal love and attention. Inhale and exhale normally while doing this. Exercise number 5, left side plank. For side planks, all you need to do is lift your knees and hips with the support of your lower arm, elbows, and foot. Make sure your elbows and shoulders are aligned because right form is important to make the routine work excellently for your body. Exercise number 6, right side plank. Let's do the other side with the right side plank. This workout targets your back, core, and arms. So if you want that sexy back and smaller waist and arms, you have to hold on tightly to side planks. Exercise number 7, plank up. Killer core and arms, here we come. Start with a full plank, then go to an elbow plank. After, lift yourself up with a push of your hands, one at a time. Then place your forearms back on the mat, one at a time. Repeat with me, guys. You're working very hard to strengthen and tone your glutes, abs, arms, wrists, and shoulders. Just keep thinking about your body goals as you push through this set. Exercise number 8, combination leg raise plank, right side. Go back to full plank position. Support yourself by letting your knees touch the floor. Now raise your right leg upwards twice, then raise it towards the right side twice. Then repeat for a few more seconds. Exercise number 9, combination leg raise plank, left side. It's time to do it on your left leg too. If you want fuller hips and butt, plus a smaller waist, then this workout is really for you. You're doing amazing, ladies. Go, go, go. Exercise number 10, plank with shoulder taps. Start with a full plank, then touch each shoulder one at a time. Just make sure you have controlled hip movements while doing this. This is one of the best to get a flatter tummy and toned arms. Let's get it. Woo! Who knew you can get so sweaty without too many jumps and running, right? Remember that consistency is key to get maximum results. So do this routine on a daily basis if you want to see that rocking body in a month or so. I hope you had a great time as much as I did. See you in the next sweat sesh, ladies.